Tuesday, September the 13th, and to give a quick little update on the desert rose. As you can see, the parent plant is putting out all kinds of new shoots, doing very well. And the cuttings, if you can see here behind my hand, are showing signs of new growth at the tips. And this one over here has actually got a few little green leaves that have came out. So the cuttings and the parent desert rose are doing well so far. Tuesday, September the 13th. Hi there, this is October the 7th, 2022, and we're going to do a little update on my desert rose that we did some cuttings from. And here is all of the new growth, flowers, and foliage. October the 7th, 2022. This was a much bigger plant that got some damage from too much water, so I did trim it back and took the cuttings and started some other plants that I'll be showing you here in just a few minutes. But this one has come back to life great. The desert rose cuttings are doing amazing. Lots of green leaves at the top here. This one right over here is doing well. No leaves on this one yet, but it's still very green, so it's going to do well too. Got leaves coming out here. Actually got a little flower bud on that one on the end there. October the 7th, 2022. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing.